Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Ace from the new movie League of Super Pets. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw in our next video. And it would be great if you would like to. That would be awesome. Alright, so I'm going to get started drawing Ace with the nose. So I'm going to do a little shape like this, like a little hill, and then we can come on down and then come on back up, and we can do a little line there in the middle, but not all the way up. And we're going to do one nostril and color that in all black, and same thing on the other side. Alright, so next I'm going to do just a little shape kind of following that top shape of the nose. And we can bring it out a little bit. And I'm going to work on the eyes now. So I'm going to do a circle here. And another one right here. And I'm going to draw a line straight across both of the eyes. And then I'm going to do a curve shape right here. And another one. And a little circle up top in the middle there. Or not in the middle, but in between those two lines. And then color this part in all black. And I'm going to do the same over here. Alrighty, so now we can give them some eyebrows. So we're going to come up a little bit slanting and kind of come in a little bit. So it's not a perfectly straight line. And we're going to do the same over here. Like that. And we're going to do the top of the head here. We're going to come in a little teeny tiny bit. Do a little line here. And then come on up a little teeny tiny bit and start slanting downward. So I'm kind of slanting these eyebrow shapes a little downward as well. And we can bring the side of the face down and over here as well. And this part here, we're going to bring that over. Same on this side. And I'm going to do a little line here in the middle and a little sharp point right here. So that's going to be a tooth. And I'm going to make like a little frown. And right here, this side of the face, I'm going to bring this down. It's going to be a little bit droopy. And then I'm going to bring it on up. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. So a little bit droopy, like that. And now we can do a thick lip. And the bottom of the face. And we can color in this this thick lip. We can color that in all dark as well. But if you want to wait until when you're coloring everything else before you color in the lip, that's totally fine. Alright, so he's got some like little whiskers. So just doing a few little flicks. And I'm going to do it on this side as well. And now we've got some pointy ears up top. So we're going to come straight up. And then we're going to slant downward And we're going to do the same over here. Come on up. And then slant downward. And we can do the inside of those ears by following that same shape. And there we go. We got those ears done. And now we're going to come on down. We're going to kind of follow. We're going to start from this side here of the face, and we're going to come on down a little bit. And over here, we're going to start in the same spot. He's got a thick neck, and we can do a bit of a rounded line here. It's not a perfectly straight line, it's a curved shape. And now we can do a line coming in here and one right here, because his head is kind of turning a little bit. So the part of his neck that's white is also kind of turning a little bit. And we're going to do a circle here. And we're going to do the two little parts of his bandana that are kind of hanging out from that little circle, from that little knot. Alright, so now we can continue working on that bandana. Bring it down here. And bring it on up. And we can add a few little bits of movement here with our fabric. Yeah, you can see how it's kind of bunched up a little bit. I'm going to add a few lines here too. Now we can come on down like that. And you see where this chunk here is, this part of him that's going to be his white part of his neck. So we're going to follow in behind the bandana, this part of his neck that's white. So we're following in behind the bandana. So we would do a little line here, and we're following in behind the bandana again and adding a line here. So you can see that that white part of him is behind that bandana. Right, and so we can do a line like this for his arm, or his front leg. And right here, we're gonna add the other front leg, like that. All right, so we are finished our drawing, and I'm gonna start coloring. Alrighty, folks, so we are finished our drawing of Ace. Let me know in the comments how you think it turned out, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what you would like to see drawn next, what you would like to learn how to draw next. And I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!